Turning Point Recycler Private Limited. We are not just recycling plastic and e-waste. We are redefining sustainability. As a trusted leader in sustainable waste recycling, we provide complete end-to-end solutions that power the circular economy and promote responsible resource management. Every year, tons of waste pollutes our planet. But recyclers are changing that, collecting, sorting, and transforming waste into new reusable products, saving resources, protecting nature, and building a cleaner future. Through Extended Producer Responsibility or EPR, producers are held accountable for the life cycle of their products, encouraging greener designs and responsible recycling. EPR credits offer flexibility where producers can meet their environmental targets by purchasing credits from others who exceed their recycling goals. And it's not just plastics. E-waste, old phones, laptops, TVs contain toxic elements and valuable metals. Recycling it reduces pollution, saves resources, and protects human health. Recyclers drive true sustainability, slashing landfill waste, cutting energy use, conserving natural resources, and shrinking carbon footprints, all while creating new jobs and powering the circular economy. And when it comes to fighting climate change, carbon credits make a big impact. Companies that cut emissions can trade credits, encouraging greener innovation and rewarding sustainability. India's carbon credit trading scheme is lighting the way forward. Our mission is to turn plastic waste, e-waste, into high-quality, reusable materials that meet today's industrial, household, and agriculture needs without compromising tomorrow's planet. We specialize in transforming post-consumer and industrial waste into valuable eco-friendly resources using advanced recycling technologies. Every step of the process, from sorting and cleaning to processing and granulation, is handled with precision, care, and a commitment to environmental impact. We supply top-grade polypropylene PP granules, delivering consistent quality, purity, and performance for a wide range of manufacturing applications. Our streamlined process turns plastic raw materials into finished PP granules. Whether it's custom specs or large-scale needs, we deliver with reliability and innovation. We produce high-quality recyclable plastic raw materials tailored to meet diverse industry demands, making sustainability part of your products. Our fully managed recycling contracts take care of everything from plastic waste collection to final granule delivery. It's a seamless, sustainable solution designed for industries that value efficiency and responsibility. At Turning Point Recycler Private Limited, we believe recycling is more than a process. It's a promise to the planet. Through innovation, quality, and an unwavering focus on sustainability, we are helping businesses close the loop on plastic waste and open the door to a cleaner, greener future.